Hello, I'm Viviana. I'm here to show you what will be your residence in Maina if you would like to come. Two new rooms are going to be refurbished. One is Cactus, that is here on my right. It's a mess, of course. We are restoring everything. We are waiting for the carpenter. And in these two sides, we are going to have two sofa beds and a table where you can work with two chairs, a furniture there for all your stuff. It will be one of these two. And we are going to change all the windows so you have a lot of light going inside. And we are going to build a wall here, so you will have your door to enter in your private room. You are going to have a shared bathroom with Flamingo room, and we have to, of course, refurbish also it, but it's just to give you an idea of the bath. And in this side, we already have the door, and this will be Flamingo room, and in this corner, we are removing this, and you are going to have your furniture for your stuff. In this area, you have a little sink, so if you need something, and we are going to set a desk here. And in this side, you are going to have a sofa bed. And also in this corner, we are going to refurbish this hole in the wall. It will become something like drawers and stuff like that. You're going to have this entrance to the toilet in common with Cactus, and you have also a private entrance here. So in the future, you can choose which part to step in.